Hey students, a very warm welcome on Other 24/7. So we are going to go through with this session with the topic rapid fire of coding decoding with the short tricks. So many of the students of you are saying that ma'am we are having a still problem in a questions of the coding decoding. So I get some few more questions with you for the coding decoding. So I we are going through with the questions, but I let you inform you that I'm providing a one question. I can show you the question. I provide you 30-second timer, so you have to observe this. I may start the timer here. Start observing it by yourself. Those who are done observe, just type a done in the comment section. Okay, fastly, last 7 seconds are there. Okay, I want to share with you one information before solving this question, that from today onwards we are going to learn reasoning at 6 a.m. also, and this session is your bilingual section. Bilingual section, that means Hindi and English, both the languages are used in this session at the time of 6 a.m. Not I'm talking about 6 p.m. I'm talking about 6 a.m. Okay, fine. So now have a look about the concepts of this question. What is the pattern examiner is going to use in this question? I'll let you inform you that whenever you find this type of questions, firstly you have to observe by yourself what kind of the portion examiner is going to use this kind. Like many of time we use nicknames for our friends to recall them, and we use a nickname words to identify some places. Okay, this is the code language for our friend circle, है ना. So if you want to call Aditya, so you call like a Adi, and you want to call like a Monica, you can just call a Mona. Yeah, is it now? So many of the peoples know that she is a Monica and he is an Aditya, but if you call Adi and Mona, that means you are aware about, and those who are identified that when you call an Adi, that means you are calling Aditya, that means those are automatically observed that you are calling Aditya as a short count, that is Adi. Okay, so in the same way you must to observe by yourself here also, that if we are going to discuss about the word group, then how can we identify the code from this? E hash 6, O $4, or S $9. So here we are having some symbols also, but I can see only two symbols. Many of the times there are lots of symbols also, but here is only a two symbols. One is your hash, second is your dollar. So observe that the total number of letters, if we go through the total number of letters, I'm just writing the number of the letter having in it. That means we are having a 5, 7 and 10, and we are having 2 times dollar. That means whenever we are having a odd number of letters and even number of letters, one concept. Coming on the next line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4. But now we are having again two odd number and the one even number. Again it may be followed again 4, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. But now again we are following the same pattern also. But if we observe the letters, we are going to observe the letters E. What is E? How can we achieve the E? Here we are having E, here we are having O, and here we are having S. That means letter comes from third letter of the word. Third letter of the word, we can say that. But a question raised in your mind, that is it only applicable in the first sentence or any other sentences also? Just have a look. A, R and L. Yes, of course A, R and L we are having. O, E and G. E, O and G we are having. That means a letter comes from the third letter of the word is the code used for the E or the letter. We find the pattern for the letter here. Now coming on the number. Number, if we can see that 5 and here we are having 4. 7, that means we are having a 6. 10, that means we are having a 9. That means number comes from total number of the letters, total number of letters minus 1, total number of letters minus 1 we are doing. So 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 1 6, 7 minus 1 6. Now our question is that whenever we are following such a kind of information that represents that G is and having an odd number of places, but it is showing as an hash, a different symbol. That means the total number of letters are even and odd is not the pattern used for the symbols, some other patterns. So we observe here we are having a 2 vowels. Here we are having a 2 vowels. In this we are having a 1, 2, 3 vowels. I can change the color of my pen to indicating this one, and firstly I rub this one and again observe this. Okay, just hold on. Okay, here we are having a only 2 vowels. In this word we are having a 3 vowels. Vowel, I am indicating vowel as an V. I am indicating vowel as a V. I hope so you guys all understand about it. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels. Now we can observe that here we are having 9 and the 4 value with the having a same symbol. That means the vowel which are having a even number, which are having a, here it is not used, the vowels, the letter or the word which is having, if total number of vowels, if number of vowels is odd, then we use the hash. If number of vowels is even, then we going to use a dollar. It is so simple. Just find it again. 1 and 2. Again we are having 2 vowels. 1 and 2. We are having 2 vowels with R also, A also. And with L we are having only 1 vowel. That means we are having a hash with it. Coming on the next 2 vowels. Again having a hash, dollar. 2 vowels having a dollar. That means, and we are having a 1 vowel. That means it is clear from here. Again we can find a complete sequence by getting a 1 word from it. If we are having a word game, that means it is representing like you like this. A letter comes from the third letter from the left side of the word Is it clear? And the symbol is including, symbols come from if the total number of vowels is even and the total number of vowels is odd, is the symbols are representing like this, and 1 is subtracted by the total number of letter. It is a complete sequence. I hope so you all guys are clear about the sequences. Now come on the questions. A 10-second timer is on your screen to observe the answer of this question. You have to observe the code for price. Okay, time up. I again told you that from today onwards we are going to start a 6 a.m. session early in the morning. So make it sure join there. That was a bilingual session over there. So first question is the price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having total number of 5. That means we require 4, 4, 4. We are all having 4. And the third letter we requires I. That means these two are not going to be your answer. Now the symbol indicates 1 and 2 vowels. As we are having 2 vowels, so we used to represent a dollar. So the right answer for this question is a B option will be the right answer. I hope so you guys are clear with this concept. Coming on the next question with a timer of 10 seconds. Now the pattern is clear. Now I hope so you all guys are clear about the concept. And again I told you the code for applying Y164 to get a flat 25% discount. Now on each and every product you get a 25% discount by applying Y164 code. So just apply Y164 code for getting or availing a discount of 25% max to max. Here it is and of course 5% extra additional discount with this also. So coming on this S#3. So here S is representing like here. So D option will never be your answer. Coming on the now symbols, it is having a 1 and 2 vowels, 1 and 2 vowels, that means representing a dollar. Only a one vowel that represents a hash. Therefore the right answer for this question is a C option will be the right answer, as we are having hash here. I hope so you all guys are answer right option for question number 2nd. Coming on the question number 3rd with the 10-second timer. You have to identify the code for South Indian. Okay, time up. I again must to say that we are going to start session from today onwards, that is at 6 a.m. and for getting a discount on our channel, just apply a code Y164 for getting a flat 25% discount plus additional 5% applications by downloading application discount. So do visit on ada247.com. So now we have to observe the code. Here we are having only 2 vowels, 1, 2 and 3 vowels. 3 vowels is an odd number, that means we required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means a 5 with a 5 as a 3 vowel we are having. So we go with the hash with an odd number with the 5 letter, and here we are having a 5, so required with the 4 is an even 4 with the dollar. So 4 with dollar we required, so the option goes wrong, and we required 4 with U, so this is also wrong. So the right answer for this question is a B option with the right answer. It is auto generated. So this process is known as, when we eliminate the wrong options, this process is known as your elimination process. Remove all the options, those which cannot be your answer, the answer comes automatically in front of you. Coming on next question with the question number 4 with the 10 seconds timer. Okay, done. So what is the code for this? You have to observe it. And so now we are again say that $3, that means O is your 3rd place, so this is not your answer. O, it will be your 3rd place, and E is also at your 3rd place. This is not your answer, and we are not having E. No, we are not having E, so the A option will be right answer. So again I use the elimination method. This method really works if you apply the method whatever I'm telling you. So 5 marks of the coding decoding questions you can receive within a 1 minute or less than 1 minute. I must to say that. Coming on the next question with a 10-second timer. Okay, time up. Now it is asking a code for men and women. So again we are having a 1 vowel and 3, that means a 2 words, and the for this is the formative you have to use it for here, that is 1 vowel and hash is used for this. That means we have required with 2 as an hash. This is not going to be your answer, this is not going to be your answer, this is not going to be your answer. The right answer is D, or none of these. So we have to just observe it like women, V 1 and 2 2, and the 1 2 3 4 5, that is a 4. So pattern is your third letter N and the D. So N, D, and we are having M also, and having, okay fine, the D option will be the right answer. So make it correction it here, make a correction here. D will be the right answer, not an E one. So make a correction here. The right answer for here is a D one, because the elimination process always work. So here is also work here. So the right answer is a D. So by mistaken it is highlighted by E. So do correction it. So I provided you a one question as an homework question. Try to observe it and answer me in a comment section. After observing these two questions, I again prefer you answer me in a comment section given below at the last of the video. I again say you answer the homework question at the below in a comment section of the video. I must to tell you that we are going to start the session at 6 a.m. also from today onwards, from this Monday onwards. That means today we have done with the syllogism. Those who want to learn reasoning in bilingual my session, so come and join me at 6 a.m. I know it is so early in the morning, but it's saying that ना सुबह जल्दी उठने से हमारे पास तैयारी भी अच्छे से होती है. So I prefer you all guys come in my session at 6 a.m. in a morning session. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the direction distance sense questions, concepts with the tricks and the very exam oriented questions I am going to discuss with you guys. So I prefer come and join me there. We go with the 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. The session goes to 45 to 50 minutes. It takes a complete timing, the complete input, and we can communicate with us. You can communicate with me by doing the live chat, by being a part of the live chat. So the queries of your is sort out in the live session. So I must to say that if you like the question I provide you, do like the hit the like button and provide me the answer in the comment section as an homework question, and please share the information I given you in whatever the telegram groups you are added and link of my today's session. Thank you for watching and do subscribe bankersadda.com. I must to say that lockdown tayari nahi rukegi. 20% extra discount you will receive. I may hide myself. 20% extra discount plus 5% off on application, and by applying a code Y164, I must to say you, by applying a code Y164 you will receive a flat 25% over there plus 5% as an application. So that means by applying a code Y164 you will receive a flat 30% discount on that. So option is yours, but do make it sure, prepare yourself, and tayari nahi rukegi. Lockdown tayari nahi rukegi. Remind it, work from home, read from your home, do prepare from your home. Bye bye, take care guys.